Constitutional lawyer Renee Hicks says now that the Department of Justice has filed a suit, the next step will be to request a preliminary injunction. But because the American Civil Liberties Union and other civil rights groups are also suing Texas over the same bill, he says it's likely the courts might choose to have a joint hearing on the cases. If the court chooses to issue an injunction while the case is being heard, Texas can ask the Fifth Circuit of Appeals to stay the decision instead. And depending on how the Fifth Circuit rules, any party can make an emergency appeal to the Supreme Court, which it may take quickly with the law set to take effect in March.
Some of the justices don't like that term. It's called the shadow docket, where it's not like your typical case that's briefed, argued, and decided months later. They just do a quick turnaround of a week or two or three and issue a temporary ruling.
However, Hicks says it's important to understand that this process is not either of the higher courts ruling on the substance of the legal challenge, which requires a ruling from the district court first. That could take the Supreme Court much longer, perhaps 1 or 2 years, if it chooses to hear the case at all.